Sabi ng manager, bawal na naman ang ganito. Kaso sinagot mo.
Yeah.
Happy you share
I respect it kasi the manager is just doing his or her job, so I'm just doing my job. So we're all doing our jobs. Ganun lang yun.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
Okay.
I'm learning a lot. Ate Nika, I'm sure you have something to ask us.
Ano po yung parang nakuha greatest lessons or things na na-apply nyo up until now pagpunta sa nagpa-wake up sa inyo to be good kanina?
Ano nagpa-wake up sa akin?
Yung kanina
Lesson? I don't know. Ano ang mga lessons? Everyday naman kasi sa an opportunity to learn. Ang sabi ni Tito Boy sa akin, if you stop learning, doon ka na talaga din mag-end, hindi ka na mag-grow. So, I think it's just that. Just take each day, each opportunity, each interview as a learning curve. Oh my God, I can't forget Angelina Jolie. Zoom! Zoom lang to ha. For Maleficent 2. Pagpasok ko ng Zoom, nakasimangot. Parang, God, paano? Siyempre, I only have 4 minutes. So,
Yung
paano?
headline, Angelina Jolie.
Sinimangutan.
Sabi ni MJ Felipe, kami ka. Sinilangan ko si Angelina.
Hindi naman! Ganda ang headline. Zoom kasi yun. So parang sabi ko, okay, oh my God, paano ko siya i-charm? Kasi I only have 4 minutes. So sabi ko, ang opening ko sa kanya, Hi Angelina, this is MJ Felipe from ABS-CBN News. All the way from this side of the world in the Philippines. Bila na siya, oh my God, I love that side of the world. Gumano na siya. So nag-smile na siya, nag-open up na siya. So, isa yun sa mga parang sabi ko, okay, dapat pala when you're interviewing a foreign artist, the very first second, makuha mo na agad yung charm nila. Brad Pitt, Korea interview for Ad Astra. I only have 7 minutes with him. Meron akong mga list of questions, pero pag upo ko, dinrap ko lahat. Sabihin nila ako sa kanya, have you ever been to the Philippines? Announced or unannounced? Ayun na, tapos nireveal na niya, dapat mag-shoot siya dito ng World War Z Part 2, sa Palawan, parang, na siya, sunod-sunod na yung revelations. So, I think that's one lesson also, parang, minsan, kahit na gano'n ka-prepare, minsan ita-drop mo na lang and then just go with the flow. Parang,
My next question is, being one of the faces, well, representatives of the entertainment nowadays, pressure po ba kayo na sundan yung mga tapak ng mga prominent personalities in entertainment?
hindi naman pressured because as they always say, you can never replace them. No, pag the people who have been who paved the way for us, interviewers, hosts, diba? Parang you can never replace them. Ang lagi sinasabi, everyone has a corner in the sky. Kumbaga parang Ayana has her own style, she will have that moment and corner in the sky. I have my own style, Bianca has her own style. So lahat tayo may pwesto, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng audience, magkakaroon ng market. Yung iba would shine bright, yung iba medyo dim lang ng konti, but we all have that corner. Parang kayo, di ba? Parang ikaw, Nika, you have your throne in push, di ba? Si Frank, sa tweet, big sinabi, yan. Meron siya sa social, si Hannah of Inquirer, di ba? So, everyone has their own little corner or big corner or corner in that sky.
Last question.
Dami! Dami! Grabe! I love it!
I-relate ko po doon sa RUG.
Okay.
May bagay po ba kayo na you are not really G?
Tattoo.
Oh.
So iniisip ko yan, sabi ko, ano yung one thing that hindi ako papayag? My fear is heights. So, pupush ko yung sarili ko to do bungee jumping if I'm gonna do bungee jumping. Or even the treetop adventure in Subic. Medyo takot ako doon, pero sige, I'm gonna do it. Pero ang tanging kahit anong mangyari is have that. So,
Can I go with someone that you are really close
ako mangod, it's okay. Yung isang ganon, that's fine. Ako payag ako doon. Pero yung mga malalaki,
Gusto niya yung ano.
parang dami.
Possible regret.
Hindi. It's just not my thing.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir MJ. Congrats.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ate Nika.
Kahit pilit ako ni Mariah na magtatato ng butterfly o
Yes.
IMJ, have you always been this sociable and into showbiz since bata?
Actually, nakita ko yung family album namin. Bata pa lang ako pala, nag-host na ako ng mga parties. Parang ang oldest memory ko, I was 4 or 5 years old. Dinala ako ng dad ko sa Christmas party ng company nila sa Pasig. The office is still there. Tapos, pumunta na ako sa harapan, tapos nag-recite ako ng poem that I learned from school. Kasi hindi daw ako nahiya. The Little Red House, ganyan. Tapos sa compound namin, every New Year, New Year's Eve, ako yung nag-host ng party. Wala pa tong showbiz ha. Wala pa, high school pa lang to. Ako yung mag-house to house. Kasali po ba kayo sa bingo? Okay. Kasali po ba kayo sa exchange gift? May ganun na ako ng bata. So, yung hosting I think was, hindi ko alam kung kanino ko siya namana. None in my family are in celebrity or in showbiz. Wala talaga. I think ako lang.
But maybe, kung may nanonood na parents or siguro kids will look up to you, parang how to develop yung ganyang confidence? Do you think your environment had something to do with it?
Oo, siguro if sana supportive yung yung environment. Pero kasi lang siya, sometimes it's innate. Kayo din, I'm sure, nung bata pa kayo, na-imagine nyo bang mag-interview kayo ng mga ganito. Diba? Parang, I think it's just naturally lalabas na lang talaga siya.
And part din ng RUG, aside from the activities, yung pag-interview ko. So, ano yung pinaka-awkward na moment or question na you had to ask, pero nagkaroon ng parang awkward moment?
Meron na ba, Sam? So far wala pa naman, no? So far parang fun pa lahat ng kasi nga hindi siya yung controversial. May kiliti lang, like yung kay Maki. I don't know if you've seen clips online already. Na yung mom, ni-reveal na ang gusto daw niya is Maloy for Maki. So, yun. Cute. Cute na reveal, pero hindi pasabog, hindi controversial.
Or maybe in entertainment in general, what was the hardest na kailangan mo tulitan lang? Kasi ikaw yung may
Marami na, Kate. Marami na. Hindi ko na siya ma-recall, but ang dami ng moments I had to ask the difficult questions. Because that's your job, di ba? Parang, basta, kasi natanungin ka sa newsroom eh. Tanungin ka eh, parang ito yung headline, dapat ito yung may storya tayo, parang.
And last na, sabi nga as the face of local entertainment institution. Siyempre pag in your personal life, yung mga friends, ikaw siguro yung go-to.
Oo.
Ano yung mga common questions na tinatanong sa'yo aside from
I
sino yung
cannot
body?
say it. I cannot say it, Kate. Alam ko rin tinutumbok mo, pero I cannot say it. Pero I agree. Pag meron kami laging gathering ng mga kaibigan ko, chismis is the first topic. Uy, ganito ba si ganito? Ganyan. Uy, ano yung totoo kay ganyan? Like kanina lang, yung sister ko messaged me, ano nangyari kay Kim Chu? May ganun siya. Ba't di ko siya napapanood sa Showtime? Parang may ganun. So, even my family, pero pag binibisita ko sila, hindi naman yung deliberately na nagtatanong. So parang, it's just, uy, napanood namin si ganito. Kumusta na si ganyan? May ganun lang. Pero hindi yung, pero yung mga kaibigan ko. Kayo din, I'm sure, kayo.
Kung sino mo
I'm sure pala pag-inuman kayo sa mga kaibigan nyo, yan ang topic.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, Miss Kate. Oh, actually, I want to follow up with Miss Kate's question also. Parang I want to know naman, Kuya MJ, syempre as a news reporter, celebrity reporter, and now a host also, how do you get siguro the artists to be comfortable with you? Kasi syempre they lack answers minsan and then you kind of need to get more from them. How do you do that, Kuya?
It doesn't happen overnight. The trust ng mga celebrities sa'yo is parang nabubuo yun through the years. Kumbaga, dati yung mga artista na yan, may naalala ako, may isang manager dati na tumawag ako, sabi ko, pwede po bang ma-interview yung alaga nyo, ganito, ganyan. Ako po si MJ, bago kong reporter. Sino ka ba? Wala ka namang pangalan. Ganon! Kailangan matibay yung sikmura mo dito pag ginanon ka. So, Well, hindi ko naman siya pinersonal, but wala naman talaga akong pangalan. Wala naman siyang where's the lie, di ba? Parang wala naman. But it really, para siyang plant na you have to nurture. Showbiz is really relationship-based because kung ako yung artista, bakit ko i-reveal sa'yo lahat to? Sino ka ba? Ganun yun eh. Why would hindi ako komportable sa'yo eh. I won't tell my story to you. Kaya sometimes the celebrities, they just tell all on their personal vlogs, on their social media accounts. Yun na lang. So, prerogative nila yun. They control the narrative. It will be unchallenged. Ganun eh. So, minsan, lakasan ng loob pag, let's say, MJ, can you interview this? Magka-tell all siya sa'yo. Yun. So, it takes years. It takes a lot of moments, it takes a lot of interviews para makuha mo yung trust ng mga artista to share their stories to you. Whether it may be controversial, a tell-all, or just as simple as, I just had a birthday. Parang gano'n, di ba? So,
Interesting. Parang it's really all about relationships. Actually, gusto ko lang i-share as a host. I'm sure you would also understand and everyone here. There was a time when I started hosting na artists were very hesitant to be friends with me because of that label. But of course, now I have my circle of friends. It's Maki, one of my best friends. And parang, it also took them a while then to really be like, okay, Ayana's a genuine friend.
Right.
Kasi syempre having the label as a host.
Pag host naman kasi it's different from a reporter or interviewer. Parang host kasi you have a key card, everything is curated, everything is planned out. Pag interviewer ka or reporter ka, syempre you ask the difficult questions. Kaya, I don't know if they know this, pero I don't go out with any celebrity. So I don't hang out, I don't party, I party pag ini-invite pinari sa MJ, birthday na, cover mo. Punta ako doon, then hang out for a bit. Parang gano'n. Pero yung deliberately na, oh, labas tayo sa Sabado, walang gano'n. So kahit na paano, I keep that distance or line, fine line, para at least hindi ako, kasi too close. Pag you're too close to the celebrity, it's hard to ask them the difficult questions. So, as much as possible, I remain professional, civil, and good working relationship with them.
Kuya MJ,